All right, my friends, thank you for tuning in today. It's a huge day. I didn't do an unboxing on my solar panel. So my friend at Off-Grid Adventure, which is a really cool channel, he got me into these BougeRV solar panels. I saw he installed one on his Toyota Sienna, so I decided to order one for mine. Now mine's a little bit different. These are really efficient. I think his model might be a couple years older. These ones are really new. So they're bifacial, which means that they can absorb the sun rays on the back side and the front. So if this is mounted to the top of my Sienna will refract sunlight into the back, and this will absorb it. So it's like 25% something more efficient, which is amazing. This solar panel can withstand hail up to 1 inch, which is amazing. My friend at Off-Grid Adventure, he basically got me into these. Such a great resource. I encourage you guys to go over and check out his channel. Yeah, nobody's sponsoring my channel or anything like that. I'm just saying it because he's, such a source of good information. One thing I did find out is that this e600 Pecron, you can actually dual charge with it. You can charge off of both of these at the same time. So I can do solar and charge from my car at the exact same time. I talked to Pecron. They're like, oh yeah, you can definitely charge off of both of them. So that's a good thing to know. That's actually huge. So yeah, charging off of the DC input and the 32 to 95 volt input, or the aviator. They call these an aviator input because it's a 5-pin, as you guys can see. And this is called 5.5, and the jacks on the back side of that are MC4. I've already got my template over here that I use to pre-drill my crossbars on my Sienna. So this is what's coming up next. I'll be wiring it in, and we'll be taking a look at it and checking it out. I wanted something really ruggedized and durable, so the BougeRV bifacial solar panel is what I went with. All right, thank you guys so much. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description if you guys want to just check it out. That's cool. All right, thanks again.